now I'm going to talk about the personality development in the psychodynamic approach. Okay, so let's say I'll not explain you in depth what these terms are, okay, but I'll just give you an example to explain you what it is. So let's say there is a birthday in your class and there's a girl who distributed chocolates. Okay, let's say everybody got a chocolate. There will be some people who will eat the chocolate right in front of ma'am. There will be some people who will eat the chocolate after the period gets over and before the new teacher comes, they'll eat that. And there will be some people who will go home and eat the chocolate. Now what happens is that people who have ego, okay, now they say ego does not over here mean attitude and all those things, okay. Your ego is totally different. So ego is a phenomena wherein you logically think, you practically think about the things around you and then you take a decision. For example, the child gets a chocolate. The child will think, the child will think logically, the child will think very practically and say, it is not right to eat the chocolate in front of ma'am because she's teaching. I really want to eat the chocolate, but I'll eat the chocolate after the lecture is over. When the ma'am goes away and before the new teacher comes, I'll eat the chocolate quickly. So they are very logical, okay, and they are very practical. They think everything very logically and practically, okay. Now people with id people are the ones who cannot control their emotions. They cannot control their desires. They have to fulfill their pleasures. They have to fulfill their the things which they desire. And in that, if anybody gets hurt also, they don't care. For example, the child gets a chocolate. The child can't control. The child will eat the chocolate right in front of the teacher. Okay, no matter if he gets the punishment or not, the child will eat. That is id. Okay. Next is super ego. The people who has super ego, they are people with lot of values. They are people with lot of morals. They always consider, no, this is right, this is wrong, we should do this, we should not do this. Okay, they will not think logically, practically, but they will think, આ મારા સંસ્કાર છે, મારે આવું નો કરવું જોવે, and etc. So the child will eat the chocolate after the school is over, because eating chocolate in the classroom, whether the teacher is there or not there, is not right. Okay, so this is what is your personality development. Fine. So this was the concept which was given by Sigmund Freud, okay, in psychodynamic approach. He also tried to explain the conscious, subconsciousness and unconscious state of mind. So I told you conscious, okay, or you can say subconscious and unconscious mind. What is your conscious mind? Things which you are aware about. What are your subconscious mind? Things which you may be aware about but not completely. And unconscious are those things which you are not aware about at all. Okay, so consciousness, subconsciousness and unconsciousness, okay, which also leads to your psychosexual development also takes place. Okay, so according to psychodynamic approach, based on your consciousness, subconsciousness and unconsciousness, your psychosexual development takes place. What is psychological and sexual are your sexual needs. Okay, I hope you all know what sexual needs are. Okay, sexual needs means your desires, your sexual desires. So based on your consciousness, subconsciousness and unconsciousness, your psychosexual development occurs. What is psychosexual? Psychological and sexual development takes place. Okay, this approach is developed through the treatment process of individuals' abnormal behavior, which is on account of man's basic unconscious needs, which he is too not aware about. So what did he say? That people who show abnormal behavior, okay, let's say ki I am showing lot of abnormal behavior. Let's say ki I have a habit of stealing. I am a thief. So what are they saying? That whichever person's abnormal behavior is, you can treat that person's abnormal behavior, or you can cure that person's abnormal behavior by understanding their unconscious mind. Unconscious meaning things which you are not aware about. So when you come to know about their unconscious mind, you can treat anybody's abnormal behavior. Abnormal behavior is what? કે let's say કે people who have stealing problem, ઘણા લોકો એવા હોય જેને ઊંઘ ન આવે રાતના. So all those are your abnormal behavior which you can treat, okay, by using the unconscious way, by understanding what are their unconscious mind, what is going on in their unconscious head. Okay, this approach so what did they say is that human beings try to satisfy their basic needs at any cost. So what are our basic needs? Food, clothing and shelter. So these are our basic needs. Okay, food, clothing, shelter, safety, sexual needs, these are our basic needs, and in order to fulfill our basic needs we'll do anything. So this in general was a psychodynamic approach by Sigmund Freud. Okay, I'll repeat again, psychodynamic approach by Sigmund Freud. Okay, what did he emphasize on? He emphasized on unconscious aspect of human mind. What is unconscious aspect? Things which you are not aware about. Next thing he said that he tried to understand human behavior with two main elements, that is motive, that is desires, and your emotions. So he said that human behavior develops because of these two elements which are always changing. Dynamic means changing. Then he said is that your personality development, okay, or your development of your behavior depends on two things. One is hereditary. Hereditary means certain behaviors we get from our parents, and the second is childhood experiences. Based on our childhood experiences, our personality, our behavior develops. Next thing he said is human behavior or your personality development takes place based on ego, id and a superego. Okay, ego are those people who think very logically, who think very practically. Okay, id people are those people who do not think logically, who do not think practically. They do not have lot of moral values or ideas. They only aim towards fulfilling their desires, their motives, and they don't care whether in that process anybody gets hurt or not. Okay, and a superego are those people who have very high values, they have high morals, and they will always think about what is right and what is wrong. Next thing he said that the development of an individual's psychosexual development takes place based on three things. Okay, psychosexual development, that is the development of your psychological mind and your sexual desires, depends on your unconscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind. What is conscious? Things which you are aware about. Subconscious are those things which you might be aware about, might not be aware about, and unconscious are things which you do not know at all. Next thing he said that you can treat abnormal behavior by understanding the unconscious mind. Then they said is that we human beings try to satisfy our basic needs, that is our need for food, our need for survival, our need for clothes, our sexual needs are our basic needs which we will try to satisfy at any cost. So this was the psychodynamic approach given by Sigmund